the Jackery 200 watt for the camping trip. Welcome everybody back to Toy Jeeps channel. And today I got my Jackery for my first camping trip, which will be next weekend. Let's see here what all the rave is about. Everybody likes it, everybody great about it. So let's do the unboxing. Hey, nosy. Hey, yeah, you. Comes a little bag. In the bag is all the cables for charging. You can charge a Jackery in your vehicle. You can also plug it into a outlet. Here it is. Jackery Explorer 240. Let me see if it powers on. Okay, it's at 43%. There's a sticker on here. What does it say? Jackery solar generated. Let's see here. Alright, here we go. Input and output. It comes at 43%. And it says here, hold on, I'm sorry. Solar generated. LCD display will be entering power. Saving mode. Okay, anyway. When you have it on, you want to use the USB ports. Turn on USB. You want to use regular 110. Turn on to 110. If you want to use the 12 volt lighter, use the 12 volt. This is to charge the Jackery. And here's the display button. This is this display. That's for the 12 volt. On off here. Kind of cold. Serial number. So far it looks good. I'm gonna go ahead and charge it up. What else is in here? Jackery solar generator. Here's some of the information. I'm gonna charge it up and get ready to use it for our camping trip next weekend, and I'll do a review on it next week.